A transformation that feels subtle is often the one changing systems. The world of finance is rewriting itself, and it's happening now. In the corner of that shift, real-world assets moving on-chain, treasuries tokenized, institutions stepping in. And sitting at the intersection of all this, XRP, ONDO, and BlackRock. The market for tokenized real-world assets is no longer a niche projection. It's becoming a cornerstone of institutional finance. ONDO Finance, a leader in the RWA arena, has already built tokenized funds backed by US Treasuries and other high-quality assets. ONDO's OUSG, or ONDO short-term US government treasuries, is now live on the XRP ledger, redeemable through Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin. A $250 million fund was launched with Pantera Capital to invest in tokenization infrastructure. In short, the plumbing of real solid assets is moving on-chain, and these rails need a native utility. XRPL offers native token issuance, a built-in decentralized exchange, settlement in seconds, and extremely low cost. That makes it ideal for tokenized finance. When ONDO brought OUSG to XRPL, they chose it precisely because of its reliability and speed. Institutions can mint and redeem treasuries 24/7, use RLUSD as settlement, and tap liquidity instantly. XRP becomes the bridge asset in this ecosystem. When tokenized assets settle or need cross-currency liquidity, a neutral asset like XRP fills the gap. ONDO isn't just tokenizing assets, it's connecting traditional finance with blockchain through compliance and regulated frameworks. Their acquisition of a licensed broker-dealer allows ONDO to issue tokenized securities under US oversight. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has been watching and quietly participating. BlackRock has long been an investor in ONDO's tokenized treasury products and liquidity pools. In several pilot programs, Ripple technology underpins the rails for ONDO's tokenized funds, connecting institutional liquidity with XRP-based settlement. If this architecture continues to mature, it looks like this. BlackRock provides institutional capital and asset management. ONDO handles tokenization, issuance, and redemption. Ripple and the XRP ledger provide the rails for settlement and liquidity. That's how traditional finance quietly merges with blockchain infrastructure. In Brazil and across emerging markets, ONDO's tokenized treasury funds have already been issued. XRPL's tokenization functions are being used for real financial products, not experiments. This shift isn't someday, it's already happening. Institutions that adopt these rails early are the ones that will lead the next wave of capital flow. For XRP holders, this marks a shift from speculation to infrastructure. When treasuries, corporate debt, and real estate are tokenized, those assets need bridges and liquidity. That's where XRP's role becomes structural. If XRPL becomes a preferred infrastructure for tokenized assets, demand for XRP as a bridge or reserve asset rises naturally. The narrative moves from price to throughput, from coins to corridors, from trading to transaction volume. Watch for ONDO and Ripple announcing new integrations. Watch for BlackRock mentioning tokenization pilots that rely on XRP rails. Watch for regulated funds using RLUSD for settlement and XRP as the bridge. Watch for custody firms and brokers integrating XRPL for tokenized asset movement. The clues are small, but together they map the new financial grid. This is not about crypto hype. It's about rebuilding financial infrastructure for the digital era. On-chain treasuries, tokenized credit, fractional real estate, Every asset becomes programmable value. The XRP ledger is positioning itself as the trusted foundation. And XRP is no longer just a coin, it's the utility connecting it all. The world is being tokenized. BlackRock, ONDO, and Ripple are laying the groundwork, and XRP is the silent rail underneath. This is the era of utility, and it's already happening. Not financial advice, just perspective.